guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Beauty by Kandi, and today we are going to be recreating this lovely Valentine's Day look. What do you guys think? I kind of like it a lot. I also want to apologize. I'm just now noticing that the light is changing a little bit on me even though I have my studio. So I'm sorry that that's a little distracting, but earlier in the video when I was recording, it was not like this. Stay tuned to see how I recreated this look. And without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so to start off with this look, we are going to be using this BH Cosmetics Modern Matte 28 Colors palette. We're going to start off with the more skin tone color here, and we're going to place it just above the crease and blend that out. Next, we're going to take this darker shade tone and we're going to place that directly on the crease, and then we're also going to blend that out. Easily and lightly light, kind of like the bottom line of my lid. And I'm just going to take this nice color here and I'm just going to blend that in right below the line of the crease. And then we're going to go back in with that crease color and then blend that out. Now I just want to add a dab of black. We're going to dab that in on the outer corner of my eye, creating a V shape. And then we're going to blend that out and upward into the crease. Now to go ahead and place the concealer on my eyes, I'm using the NYX concealer and I'm going to mix these tones. And I'm just going to go ahead and matte that on my eyelid and blend that out. Now we're going to go in with Saddle from MAC Cosmetics and we're going to place that directly on that lid. Then on top of that, we're going to add some pink shimmer, and this is from Wet n Wild. And to add to that, we're going to go in with the Natasha Denona Joya palette, and we're going to be using the shade Peach Gold and placing that directly on top of the glitter and the eyeshadow. Now next to that shade, we're going to go ahead and blend in the outer corner Fuchsia from that same palette. And then to add more depth, because I want it to be a little extra, I'm going to be using the shade Red Grape. Now to make sure everything is blended, I'm going to go back in with that same tone of eyeshadow and then blend that just slightly above the crease. Now with the wing liner, we're going to go in with the Maybelline Eyestudio, and this is their gel liner in the Blackest black. And don't worry about how big I get it because we're going to clean that up here in a second. And we're going to take my wipes here, and this is from Burnt Bees. And I'm going to sweep underneath my eye and create a more defined wing. Now we're going to go back in with that black, or to create more depth, I'm going to press that eyeshadow directly onto the wing liner. Now to give my eyes a little more pop, I'm going to go ahead and add white eyeliner at the bottom lashes. And then right below that, we're going to use the Nude pencil, and both pencils come from NYX Cosmetics. Next, to bring more pink into the eye, we're going to go back in with that fuchsia and place that directly on my lower lash line, blending out both pencils. And now we're moving on to the face. So we're going to be using the PeterThomasRoth, and this is their face primer. Next, to set that, we're going to be using the CoverFX translucent powder, and this is in the shade Deep. Now to add some shimmer in with my highlight, we're going to go in with NARS Liquid Illuminators, and this is in the shade Super Orgasm. Now to get in with the foundation, we're going to do MAC Cosmetics, and this is in their Matchmater number 7. And then, as you can see, my favorite foundation is going bye-bye. This is the NYX Total Drop Control Foundation in the shade Cool. And as you can see, I totally broke my brush too, so double whammy for me. So to finalize on blending everything out, we're going to go in with my e.l.f. Cosmetics brush. Now to conceal and highlight, we're going to be using Amande from NARS, their Radiant Concealer. And then for the contour, we're going to use Blackup Cosmetic Contour Stick. To set all that, we're going to go in with the Sacha Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Buttercup. And we're going to place that on my highlighting points. And then for the contour, we're going in with Sleek Cosmetics, and this is in their Contour Kit Deep. And to finish off the entire face, we're going to go in with Black Radiance, and this is in their finishing powder in the shade Milk Chocolate. To add some blush, we're going to go in with my BH Cosmetics Duo Blush Palette. Then to finish off the eyes, we're going to deepen that pink and we're going to add Red Grape again underneath the lash line. And then also add Star Bronze in the inner corner for my highlight. Can't forget about mascara. And now it's time for us to go in with the first lip look. With this look, we're going to go in with the lip pencil from MAC Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Chestnut. Then we're going to go in with Tarte, and this is from their Tartarless Lip Paint collection, and this is TBT. I mean, honestly, you could stop at that matte lip and blend it out. But to give it a little bit more gloss, we're going in with the Makeup Forever, and this is their Artist Plexi Gloss in number 100p. Now to add some more amber and gold to this look, we're going to go ahead with the Anastasia Glow Kit, and this is in the shade Amber Gold. And that is lip look number 1, you guys. And so off to lip look number 2, we're going to again use the same lip pencil. And again, we're going to use the same lipstick color. But instead, we're going to use Bow and Arrow, which is going to create a more ombre look. I'm going to place that on the center of my lips, blend that out, and that is the second look. I have to say, guys, this is probably my favorite out of all of the Valentine's Day looks I have created. This is more me, I feel like. It's more subtle, but yet there, and it's bolds of color. So you guys let me know what you guys think of all the Valentine's Day looks. I have one more coming up, and that's going to be released on Monday because I still have to do it, and the color is going to be purple. So pretty excited with that. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you stayed this long, thank you so much for taking the time to watch it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I love to hear from you guys. Stay beautiful, feel beautiful, be beautiful, and I will catch you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.